Hope you all slept well last night. It's 9:26 in the morning on a November 25th. It's a Wednesday, day before Thanksgiving. I'm not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just telling you how I trade and showing you how I trade. Maybe to help you out. My leading gappers on the day that I'm really into is ANPC. I'm really into that one right now, which is up over 100%. And MTC, which I just bought a small position in MTC pre-market a couple minutes ago, so I'm gonna watch for the move up right at the opening of the bell and then hop out of it. So I put in the group, it was rolling right before I bought it. If you look right here, you will see I'm already up a pretty good amount. Actually, I bought 224. 10% 224 would be 250-ish. So right now doing a little small pullback, of course, for market opens. People taking a profit. It's expected. We're gonna see what happens right here. Hopefully, we get into this market opening and this thing just blast off. So currently we in the high today on a 1 minute chart. The 5-minute chart is showing is very bullish. You see here that big curve upwards and that lime green-ish marker right there. And look at the news, you'll see this morning, not much news, however, it's rolling. So it seems to me that either stock options are being how I'm trying to say it, being completed today, meaning that they're running this course. Usually an option goes like 7 days or something like that, or even further. I don't trade options. It is not my thing. I just like to just watch and see what the majority of people do. So I'm up $36, which right now I'm close to my goal of 10%. The high has been in quite a while. Look at the 184 hour. It's straight up incline, straight bullish. Perfect. You want to see that? You look at the last year and 1 day, you'll see had a point back here. Well, that's not it. Up here. Right here on 6/9/2020, it was $7.70, and it just pulled back something pretty terrible. So I'm gonna watch it for hopefully it can reach, maybe if we're lucky, that new high has been this year, probably permanently. If we look back here at the 3-year mark, 1 week mark, 3-year 1 week, way back here you'll see that marker we just showed a minute ago. But way back here you'll see on July 8th of last year, it was $19.55. That'd be awesome if it goes to that high. It may or may not. Who knows? You can't predict the future. Look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart. Straight up bullish. And look at the EMA. Falling straight up. You want to see that. You want the EMA to curve upwards with the price of the stock. Usually what that means is it's going bullish. Everything I showed so far is showing bullish. Right now, I am up what I want it to be. I'm going to put a sell order in right now before the market opens. And I'm already set. And I'm put it higher than the price right now. I'm put it at 270, 20 cents higher than the price right now. You want to know why? Because I can always go here, check that, and like I always do, drag it up and down the axis. So as soon as the market open, which is in 5 seconds, it's going to take a bullish run. I'm almost guaranteeing it. Let me get rid of that. We're going to watch for a minute. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Right? Still up. My sell order's in, and I'm out at I'm out at 259. So I wanted 10%. I only bought 180 shares. It's my small account. I made so many trades in a small account that my funds aren't available or not available, however you want to say that. So I was only able to buy 180 shares. I could have bought a little more to keep it real, but I didn't because I'm trading in this small account here like someone else would trade with not a lot of money in the account. So you'd be foolish to trade high dollar amounts and make videos For folks who don't have that much money put in their account, be foolish to make those large trades because it's not helping nobody out. So my goal with these videos are to help folks out who are new to trading or don't have a lot of money. I'm trying to log in my large account. It's not letting me log in right now. Let me see. There we go, in my large account. So right now you look at it, it's pulling back, right? It's pulling back on a small little pullback. However, it's about to pop this $3 mark at any moment. I'm trying to get in right here on my large account. You see that profit taking that happen right there? It happens. I called 270. There, 270 right there. I'm in MTC in my large account at 265. So my goal is, of course, $3. So I'm going to put an order in right now for $3 in my large account to see how high it's going to go. It's currently trading 25 million shares, a hot out of 20,000 share float. Next up, we're going to look at it, unclick this. We can go over here to ANPC and see what it's doing. It's pulling back right now, not worth buying. As you can see, ANPC will pop the high today. ZKIN, 7 million shares being traded, but you see here it's moving very slowly. So usually, if I buy a stock like this, I will buy at a certain point, and I'll put a sell order in yet again immediately for my target. So at this point, it's pointing all down. I wouldn't buy it right now because it's all right here. See that price? What I would do is I would find support. It's not really support, but I'm gonna draw a line in anyway because that little small little wick right there. Then I'm gonna draw another line right here and another line right here. Now, I'm not gonna buy it now yet again because I don't like what it's doing. If you look down here, it's not doing much. You look down here, it was red a second ago, but it's back and forth from red to green. So, and you see the volume bar, heavy volume, but it's any news on it. The news here shows right here, new contracts. With that news, it popped up 317, it pulled back. I'm still waiting to buy it. I haven't bought it yet. So if you look back here at the, my bad, 180-day 4-hour chart, you will see it's as high as it's been in 180 days. But look at the price action. As a history of rolling up and pull it back. Jump up, pull back. We currently on the incline. Look right here at the MACD. Straight bullish. RSI. Bullish to an extent, but not very bullish. But it's curving right now. You don't want to see that. The curvature meaning we looking for that pullback. We don't want that issue. You look right here on, wait a minute. I didn't hop in, did I? Missed my buy-in point. Hold on, y'all. All right. If you look right here, you see it pulls back, goes up, pulls back constantly. Right now we're in an incline. You see the 1 year, 1 day, straight bullish, straight up and down. Which means today it should pop the $3 mark easy. I'm going to draw a line here at $3 mark as well. But I'm going to go into the group and tell you guys that currently it's bullish because it is. 5-day, 15-minute chart is not showing that. See what happened right here? The same spot several times it hit. Then drop right here. We still pulling back on the 5-day, 15-minute chart. Wait a minute. I see one popping up on my screen. Anyway, we pull it back on the 5-day, 15-minute chart. This may find support. This may be support. This may be support. But down here, you see the dark green? That's the pullback. You see the RSI? The curvature down. Look at the MACD though. I'm sorry, look at the EMA. And the EMA is right in the middle of that point. So we are below the EMA. We know by now that a stock may be overextended. It comes back to the EMA. It may be oversold. It comes back to EMA. The stock must retrace the EMA. See that 15-minute candle? That's a strong buy-in. I'm going to hop in here in a minute in my large account once I see the curvature back up. I want this bar to be green. Look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart. Here we go. That's the buy-in point right there. The buy-in point, 264. So I'm going to go in the group right quick and tell you guys, my bad. My buy-in point is 264. What happened? Here we go. 264 on ZKIN. And that's only if it finds support there. Now, I'm telling you live, I'm looking at it. So no one can say I didn't tell them. It's right here in this point here. If this finds support and becomes support, that's your buying in point. Let's go over here to WEI. Straight bullish. 5-day, 15-minute curvature. Wait for the pullback. What's the news right now? There's no news. Your buy-in point will be 259. So I'm going to go in the group again and tell you guys WEI needs to find support at 259. So that's there as well. So you see that point, 259, sitting there. You look over here at ZKIN. This one be support to make that move, sitting there. You look over here at MTC. I traded earlier for a quick $63. Once across this 249 point, that's the point we need to run off. So I'm gonna go back in the group again and type in MTIC support 259. That's the buy-in point. MTC needs to make 249 support. And just popped it. I see it popped it on the left screen right here. If I can get it in there, it passed it. But I got it in there. But here you go. You will be up 11 cents right now. And I'm going to put in here as well. It will pop high of day. HOD, right? And I'm going to put in here as well within 2 candlesticks. So I traded earlier, as you guys know. I bought 180 shares back there somewhere. It ain't showing on my screen. As always, it don't want to show. Let me go up here to my settings and make sure it shows again. I mean, reapply it. Okay. So I told you in the group that it will pop the higher day within 2 candles, right? Look at my boy. I see you quick. Good morning. SRP Ripple. It's cryptocurrency. Yeah. I know about that, my brother. 64 cents. Last week it was 40 cents. Yep. Hey, quick. Before that, man, week before last, it was 22 cents. So this thing is up 300% in about 2 weeks. Ripple I'm talking about. Good stuff, brother. You on that money train. This guy. I can't say anything in his what I saw. All right, where we at? MTC just passed $7. Look at MTC. Wait, MTC twice? Can't be MTC. Where's that stock? Oh, it's ANPC. ANPC. What are we doing here? Support line. I'm gonna draw right here. First resistance point. It's right here. See, it touches here, touches there. Double top, right? High day is 920. I'll put 21 because it's not moving like I want it to. Let's see. So here go the channel right here. It may trade in. If you look back here, you'll see it banged that point. It hit that point. It banging this point again. So I'm putting the group that the channel on ANPC is 848 and 664. So I put it right here. The channel on ANPC is 668 to 849. 668, right? I want to have the exact number because you don't want no issues. You want to have the exact number. Never go in a group and just say wild stuff because some people watching what you're saying and end up getting somebody messed up. So that right there is nearly a $2 channel, right? So we $1.80 about, or $1.79 is a channel. So if you look up here, you'll see it in that channel. It's probably gonna bang it back and forth, right? So if it crosses 850, then you'll pop higher today, and we probably go on to 11 bucks. Let's see what it's been the last 180 days, 4 hours. See here the strong pullback right now. However, the MACD is showing we're still bullish. So right now, profit taking right now. Profit taking. It happens all the time. So I'm going to look for a buy-in point on ANPC whenever it pulls back to the support level, or whenever this first candle here turns green, right? Here on the 5-minute chart, of course. When this candle crosses this point, I'm going to look for a buy-in point. But I wanted to be up here at 850. So you might have 11 cents maybe if you do it right here. But it might bang it and pop back like it did twice already. The third time usually it blows through it, right? We want to see that. Meanwhile, MTC over here, I said 2 candles, right? That popped a higher day. Or $3, what I say? $3 or higher day, 3 candles. So second candle is right here. See what happens right here. NBAC popped on my screen over here. Look at NBA. I missed that. I was talking about everything else, giving classes. It happens sometimes, y'all. You miss something. You can't trade them all. You can't get all the monies. I say monies with the S. You can't get all the monies. You can get only a little bit at a time. Don't be greedy because you can't get them all. You can't find yourself in 2 or 3 trades at one time because it'll blow you up every time. You can't watch everything, right? So I'm trying to get an NBAC right now. Trying to log in my account as always. NBAC. I already made 6,000 on hold on. I'll tell you in a minute. Let me get in the stock before it blow up on me. Buy in 1690, hopefully. Or 75. I put an order in right now for a buy in. So I'm in at 1684. Looking for run up to $18. We're gonna see what happens right here. Down a little bit, but it happens sometimes. All right. Come on, man. Getting all these alerts. Messing my finger up. So, made 6 grand on ZKIN. I'm going to put it in the group in a couple seconds. Trying to see where I'm at here on this MTC trade. All right. I'm putting in the group. All right, there it is. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, ANPC haven't found support yet, right? This can be support, but it's not really support. See that little small wick? That ain't support. Right here, you can look at it across this line right here. Look at this. If I draw it further, you will see it's even right here. And here come that move you're looking for, hopefully. That support, you buy in right here. So I'm going to go to the group and tell you guys this stock is currently having a new high. So what that means is it's one candle that's green that's bigger than a previous candle. So I say new high, that means the candle now is bigger than the previous 5-minute candle. So don't get confused with high of day. I didn't say high of day, right? I said new high candle. Don't get it confused. See that? Could have got him back here at 752. Run so far, 768, right? 775. So you up right now, you could be up now 14, 15 cents. Now 1,000 shares, of course, is 140, right? You could have popped up here, hopped out of it. Here go the EMA above it. It blow through that. We got room to run. NBAC, still going. My sell point, $18. I called it earlier. On video, I said my sell point is $18. Don't get it confused. I said it on video. I said my sell point is $18, right? We popped 18, and I am, let me see. There we go, 18 bucks again. And it blew through it. So I should be out of it right now. Yeah, I should be out of it. Why it's still showing? We popped through 18 bucks. I don't know why I didn't sell. Hold on, I'm trying to figure out why my daggone stock didn't sell to 18 bucks. I had to order in. They ain't gonna think of swim, man. I'm telling you. They on some foolishness lately. My sell order was at 18 bucks on Think of Swim, right? It never sold, and it crossed to 18.10. Why is my stock not selling when I had it at $18, right? I don't know about Think of Swim, man. They getting stupid. Costing the brother money. I don't like it at all. So I'm gonna bring my sell point back a little closer to where we at right now. I don't like what it's doing. We curving sideways right now. 15. We got no buyers over there on the left. There we go. 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 And I'm going to get out right here. All right, I'm out. $13,200 I made on NBAC. Should have been more, but my stock did not sell when it was supposed to. At the $18, I called live on camera, and I put the order in as well for $18. And oh, here we go. Look at this crap. And didn't do it. This platform is doing some trash right now, and I don't like it. Because it's costing me daggone money. But I put in the group NBAC rolling, right? So no one can say I didn't tell you the move it was making. However, my sell point reached. I caught 18 bucks on camera. But my stock never sold. Even though it crossed 18 bucks and my order was in. I don't get why it didn't sell. But, you know, what do I know about trading stocks, man? I don't own a platform. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back in a second trying to figure this out. Alright, in the group right now should be my NBAC trade. You should see it in the group. Oh yeah. ZKIN. It's not doing much. See that right there? It's banging that channel. Right? It's a channel here. Channel here. If you look up here, the candle's green. I'm going to tell you guys in the group, it's a buy-in. If it goes a little larger, I'm going to say it's a buy-in. If it pops this point here and raises this a little more, I'm going to call it buy-in. I'm going to tell you guys, if this candle is green on ZKIN, then it's a buy-in. So there you have it. Let's watch for this candle. All right, meanwhile, AMPC over here doing trash. Meanwhile, MTC over here just made a new high. I told earlier, this is going to be support, right? Look what it's doing. It's banging through it and it's banging backwards. On camera, in the group, You saw me tell you guys that this is gonna be support. If it finds support in this count on this freaking line I drew, there we go. We have 4 minutes left in this candle, so we got a little while. Let's look at the 1 minute candle, see what it's doing. Oh, we good. 1 minute showing we going up. Burgundy, right? Everything looking well. We only at the 57 mark on the RSI. We can watch the 1 minute chart. Keep in mind, the 1 minute chart is always going to be for aggressive traders. If you're very aggressive when you're trading, your buy-in points are going to be the 1 minute charts because they're more aggressive. Now, remember I said earlier that 5 minute charts for me is a good buy-in point. If you're very aggressive, you will buy in the first green candle to make a new high. So you see right here, it shot up and pulled back. That ain't making a new high. It haven't found support. But next candle, however, started at the top of this previous green candle. Then it rolled up. So from here to here, it's 12 cents. So you might say 12 cents, that's it. But 12 cents on 1,000 shares is a big amount of money, right? $120 a day, 22 trading days in a month, right? You're looking at $2,500 a month. You can pay your rent or mortgage and probably get a car payment and some insurance. Who knows? So for me, it don't pay my living expenses. However, it helps, right? 5 day, 5 minute. Here we are. Make it a little smaller. We need to find support right here. Leading gapper of the day, right? Meanwhile, AMPC is trying its best to find this line here, 755 that I drew earlier. Now I draw lines way earlier, so you can see live my points I draw. And I put the same thing I'm drawing in the group every time. Meanwhile, AMPC is acting crazy. MTC losing steam right now. I may pop this at 277. And NBAC losing steam. Should have sold up here somewhere, 18 bucks in my large account. It didn't sell. I don't know why. Sometimes what happens is it pops up and pull back immediately. And there's so many buyers in here. Don't forget FIFO sellers as well. So FIFO means first in, first out, right? We know that from like years and years ago. However, if you'll sell order in before mines, and he is in before mines, and his before mines, right? Mine's coming in the orders received. So I may miss this point because it pops up so small and large sellers over here, my order doesn't get filled. It happens a lot. So I got mad because I was at 18 bucks in my sell order, didn't fill it. I caught 18 bucks a long time ago. So I got in at 16 something, hopped out of it at 17.80, I think it was, but wasn't 18 bucks though. So every dollar counts, right? ZKIN. Just wait for this counter in green and find support. AMPC, trash right now. MTC, and let's see this move right here. I called it in the group. I told you guys the first green candle to make a new high. So here we are. Let me edit my my watch list. Always edit your watch list. Because that's gonna help you find stocks faster. Along with your scanners you have on the left over here, your watch list is gonna help you find what you're looking for. If you have no watch list, how are you gonna make money? It's like driving a car with no gas in it. It's impossible. So down here, my crazy volume scans I like the most because it tells me the volume is way higher today than it was yesterday. So something must be going on, right? It'll give you an example. Look at these volumes. It tells you that today something's going on because the volume is too high. That's my crazy volume scanner down there. I don't have RNLX in my watch list. I totally don't have that one. SWIR, TAOP. We have 5 minutes left of the video. I'm going to end the video in 5 minutes. We have PAC-B. We have Boxel. We have OPK. Boxel. OPK. And we have one last one I'll put in here. CPRX is already there? Nope, it's not. All right. Watch this is edited. Look at this candle here on COCP. I'm gonna log in my large account. It pops this point. That's a buy in. So I'm gonna tell you right now in the group, if COCP makes a new high on this next candle, hello Joe, then that's your buy-in point. Now again, I'm telling you what I see. When I say that's your when I tell you that's your buy-in point, I'm referring to the fact that I'm going to buy in at that new high, right? Which I missed it because I was typing. Happens almost all the time. But, you know, we here. Looking for a 175 pullback and a hop in at 175. See what happens right here. For run to 190. If it don't hit 190, I'll hop out of it early. Now I call that point, it's your buy-in point. So you all know I called it in the group. So we're gonna watch it for a minute. See what happens. You want to see that. That sharp pullback, immediate incline. Watch it for a minute, and I'm gonna go back to AMPC. When AMPC get to 725, clicking back on it. All right, where we at? Where we at? Here he comes. I see it over here. First candle make a new high. Down here is turning burgundy, right? You want to see burgundy or green, and you want it to curve up. So far, so good. Let's find a buy-in point. Now, because the candle burgundy does not mean it won't pull back on you. Don't get it confused. It's just a good reference to look at. Come on, AMPC. My buy-in target is 740-ish. Let me see. That's not 40s. My bad. 715, my buy-in target. There we go. I'm in. I'm in 718. I missed my 715 mark. It's okay. And I want to sell it for. I wanted to pop above this right here. So my sell area is going to be 750 right now. I can always adjust my sell order. I'm gonna watch it for a minute. Cause see right here, back here a little bit, it popped through it real lightly and it pulled back. So this point is 790. Right here, 750 is line. So my sell point right now is the resistance line, or a little above it, right? So I can always adjust that sell price and I want to. Some popped up over here on the left. Tour. Oh wait, let's watch it go for a minute. Let's go over here. Let's make it easier for us. All right, Tour, T-O-U-R. Popped up, pulled back. Why? Looked at news. No news. Question is, why did it move like that? But Tour is what? Travel. What we doing this weekend? We ain't supposed to, but we traveling, right? So you see Tour in the group. MTC. Where we at? MTC, AMPC, Tour, and here I put COCP. Pharmaceuticals. Which is currently almost a buy-in actually. So if I bought Tour, I would buy Tour at 16, 417. So I'm gonna log on my account right now and watch for that movement. TOUR. I'm gonna hold off from TOUR. I'm not gonna buy it until a point it crossed that point I wanted to cross. Look up here at this AMPC, make it a little smaller. You'll see it's not doing, it's banging that point. You want to blow through that point. This is not ready to buy yet. This is not ready to buy. This is doing bull crap. So I haven't bought anything else yet. Wait a minute, I am in AMPC. Am I? I am not. Yeah, I am. I'm in AMPC. So it's pulling back right here, right? But it's green candle. Here go the pull back. See what it did? Let me go over here for a minute. It banged it. Almost banged it identical to where it's been banging at. That became resistance. It's support and resistance. So we blow through this point, we're going to make it support, right? All we got to do is blow through this point, though. Look down here. I said earlier, because it's burgundy, does not mean it's going to run up, right? This is what you care about. Them volume candles. You want that thing to be green. If it's green, it's going to make a big run at green candle. See here? See there? All the same. You want that green candle. It's 10:02 right now. I'm going to end this video in 3 minutes. Let's go back here. You know by now I made the trade in my small account on MCT and MTC. Hello, Joe. MTC, not MCT. I made a trade, 180 shares. I bought pre-market right about here somewhere. It's 5-minute candle. Yeah, about here. It ran up. Market open. It moved up again. I hopped out of it. $63.02. So we do the math on that, like I always do math. So we go down here. Got files of yin yang. I got a new freaking update. I don't know how this thing works. So do the math. $63 in trading, and it's 22 trading days in a month, right? $13.86 a month. Just making that, right? Again, it pays a lot of bills in your household. At least it does in mine. It's not the house payment. But look back here, you will see. Say you made $100 a day. No, we're gonna say 100 too easy. Let me go backwards. Say you made $75 a day, 22 trading days a month, $16.50 a month. So let your goal be small goals, then go larger. So first goal, 20, 25, right? Next goal, 50, 55, right? Next goal, 75, 80, right? Next goal, 100, 110, and you had to go from there. Now my goal, my large account, at this point, is about $1,000 a day. Sometimes I make more. I lose sometimes as well. It happens. But majority of the time, I make my $1,000 a day. So even at $1,000 a day, which is extreme, 22 trading days in a month, right? Times 12 months, it's a pretty good year, right? $500 a day times 22 trading days in a month times 12. Hello, Joe. Nice little change as well. So $130,000 a year. No, you go lower than that. $250 a day, right? 22 trading days a month times 12 months. So this right here at $250 a day could be you making a year. How many of y'all can live on that? I know I can, right? With that being said, it is currently 10:05. My video has ended. With that being said, markets closed tomorrow on Thanksgiving. You guys have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family, right? And we want to trade away.